All right, 2 points. Get the ball. Go get your ball. Go make 2 more points. You don't want to play basketball anymore? What the heck is that? Is that a damn cat? Who was that hollering? I think I see a cat walking. We're about to get the hell up out of here. Ooh, it is a cat. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Ooh. Oh, hell. He's coming back. Let's go. Oh, shoot. A dog and a cat. Movie over.